Today's star of the shave is Moon Soap's Armaretto Shave Cream. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is Moon Soap's Armaretto Shave Cream. I got the soap, I got the splash, and I got the balm. Also with a beautiful bougie sprayer, a Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. I'm just going to say PAA Atomic Rocket fan brush. The synthetic knot, of course. A beautiful TRC lather bowl. Got a little lather on my bougie spray. And a Gem 1958 push button razor with a, I gotta show you this, modified OneBlade with a gem spine. All Jason creation. Shaka-gaga. I've been looking forward to this shave, and as you can see, I'm getting pretty good at matchy stuff. Yeah. Today the weather was beautiful, and of course, again, I didn't go out. I just watched YouTube videos and did what I had to do. Did some chores. But yeah, I'm thinking, what can I talk about? And how can I say this? Sometimes, yes, being comfortable with yourself, that's what I wanted to bring up. I was looking for the words. Sometimes the words in my head go too fast before my mouth will open it. But yeah, it's good to be comfortable with oneself. And I tell that especially to the young people because, when you're young, you want to do some crazy wild stuff, or you want to prove yourself how tough you are, how strong you are. But when you're comfortable with yourself, you don't need to do that. You know who you are. You know your highs and your lows. And to shave with this, you go right the plate of it, the top cap. Not top cap, but yeah. Oh man, I fall in love with this gem razor a long time ago, and then led me down another rabbit hole. But back to serious talk. Being comfortable with yourself is so underrated. Not enough people talk about it. I'm sorry I'm talking and then enjoying my shave, but I don't talk with my neck. So let's get back to it. When you're comfortable with yourself, you don't care what anyone says about you, good, bad, or ugly. You know why? Because you know who you are. And once you know who you are and who the people that are with that, that have your back, you stay away from the people who don't have your back or who don't respect you. And also by knowing who you are and accepting and being comfortable in your own skin, that's a form of self-respect. And that in turn, you could spot a mile away someone trying to get into your space, trying to bring you down to their frequency, and you're like, you know how to avoid it without even being confrontational. I mean, sometimes you have to stand up for yourself, don't get me wrong. I'm not telling you to lay down like a mat. But yeah, being comfortable with yourself is a sign of you love yourself a lot. And not many people love themselves out there. By the way they act and by the way they act towards themselves and towards others. If I'm making sense, let me know. God, this Armaretto is a banger. Okay, serious. I gotta be serious. God, I love this razor. It's so mild. It's like you feel a little blade feel, but it's not that bad. We need to have a modern version of a Gem push button 1958 razor. Maybe call it a Gem push button 2026 razor. I'm just throwing it out there. Often by tangents again. But yeah. Being comfortable with yourself in your own skin is so powerful. And slowly I'm doing that. Don't care what people say about you. Because, maybe, I heard this from Jon Stewart. That Kanye West told him. He said, hurt people want to hurt people because they're hurt inside and don't know how to deal with it in a proper way. I'm like, that makes so much sense. So that was me in the past. I would just lash out, say things I shouldn't have said. Working on that in therapy still. But yeah, I'm more comfortable now. I'm at peace. I know who I am. I know where I want to go for. I know if I work hard, put in the effort, sometimes act like the squeaky wheel, things will get done. So let me know in the comments, how do you get comfortable with yourself? How? What things? What little things that help you? And how do you avoid the potholes in life? Or the people who try to bring you down in a lower frequency? Me, I just ignore people. I learned from a wise people, just ignoring people. Don't argue with a fool. And that and YouTube taught me that. But yeah, I'm happy. I'm enjoying the shave. The shaving hobby has taken me down so many roads, and it's been more therapeutic than anything else, and it's helping me to examine my life more, which is good. And being comfortable with oneself, that's very important. That's like a big cog, a big piece of the puzzle. After this, I gotta open the windows. It's getting a little warm here, but a lot of noise outside. New York City is not a quiet town. And if you hear anything in the background, I apologize. I can't control over it. Yeah, people are talking. That's okay. Again, I can't control what others do. And I'm comfortable with that because I'm comfortable within my skin and in my surrounding area. Oh man, I forgot my wipes. It'll take me a couple of seconds. Sorry for the crumbling like a potato chip bag or candy bag. But yeah, God. If you ever have a chance to get a gem razor, any type of gem or a lather catcher, please jump on it. I believe every wet shaver should at least try that shave once in their life, in their experience as a wet shaver. I'm sorry about the wrinkling. Let's throw on a little splash. Yeah. And God. Ugh. And the balm, beautiful balm. I gotta shake it up. Wow, you stayed to the end of this video? Let's go over the lineup again. I used the beautiful PAA Atomic Rocket brush with a synthetic, not fan. Beautiful TRC lather bowl. My beautiful bougie sprayer. A beautiful gem 1958 push button with a OneBlade modified gem spine. And of course the star of the shave. Moon Soap's Armaretto shave cream. And of course the splash. I gotta show it because I'm OCD. And the balm. And if you have time, Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern time zone, go to Instagram. Go to the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live. And for all your wet shaving needs, go to therazorcompany.com. And remember, you are special and you matter. You're important, and learn how to be comfortable within your own skin and with yourself. Have a great life.